What's up, Tallywhackers? I don't think I need to tell you where I'm at today. I think most people's been here a time or two. If not, comment below. And if you can't comment, subscribe. I'm not here for walleye or wipers or white bass. I thought maybe this would be a good smallmouth spot. Not necessarily here, but down there along these rocks. The river's so low. I haven't seen this thing in I don't know how long. But while I'm here, I think I'm gonna try this spot right here. Just throw a couple jigs and move on. But come along, let's go catch some fish. I don't think I'm gonna get that lucky here. I think I've caught in my lifetime one walleye here. I've heard people catching them, and I've seen a guy catching ginormous white bass. I've only caught one walleye here using a Texas rig. Probably not gonna get nothing. I'm seeing some fish though. I'm gonna switch it up. I'm seeing a lot of fish. Try this little crappie jig. Maybe I'll get lucky. God dang, biting flies. There's a bite. Wow, I didn't expect that. Caught something. I don't know if I'll get this in. Oh boy. I just want to see you, bud. Just want to see you, buddy. Well, he was right there in the... Feels funny. He ain't small. What is that, big carp? Yes. It's not even big. The little guy inhaled that jig. Just inhaled that sucker. I'm gonna guess there's a lot of those in there. That was neat. Maybe 4 pounds. I don't know. 3 or 4 pounds. You know what? I'm done guessing fish because I'm terrible at it. They're probably just gonna get criticized over some of the fish I catch about how big they are. So let's just not guess and just say that that is a carp. I don't know if that's a common carp, buffalo, I don't know. It's a carp. Bet he sucked that jig right in there though. Boy, he's been fighting down in there for a while. I don't know if that's from this hook set or what. This is not the first carp I've caught on these jigs. These little crappie guys, boy, it's destroyed. Oh, the hook's destroyed. Well, that's the end of that. Let's go see if we can catch some smallies. But we'll get this fish back in the water. How's about that? We'll do that. All right, fish number one. I'm gonna toss a night crawler down there. I think it's littered with, it's not very deep. I think it's littered with carp and shad or shiners or something. I'm not scared to catch fish. I don't care what kind of fish they are. Missed another one. Well, he's fighting funny. Probably another, geez, probably another carp. He's got me wrapped up in something. I feel something. He's on something. He's gonna break me off. Oh, it came out of it. Sweet. He's coming over the other side like the other one. I bet you it's the same type of fish. Be nice if it was something different. Doesn't seem like it though. Seems like another carp. The way it's running around. These carp just fight so good. Good boil. He can't be over 4 or 5 pounds though. He don't feel like it. Ooh, what's that? Got a funny color. I think it's a carp. And I think it's bigger than the last one. Yeah, definitely a carp. About the same size as the last one. That one's 5. God, I gotta stop guessing fish. I'm terrible at it. I just want my hook back, buddy. Well, I broke at the knot. I guess I'm gonna have to reevaluate how I do my knots. Let's get him back in the water. See another common carp, I think. Let's go catch some smallies. Messing around with these carp. Seems like I can do that all day long, have fun, but let's go target some fish that I came down here for. How's about that, huh? Well, I didn't move far. Just gonna start dipping it down right in front of me along this rock bank. I don't know how far I'll go. I might go to that second jetty down there and come back. I'm not sure yet. Well, that's 2 more fish that I've caught here that I've never caught before. There's one. He's acting like a carp again. No, what is that? Channel kitty. Oh, species number 2. Alright. Take them. 2 fish ain't bad. There are 3 fish. Gosh, I can't count either. I can't fish and I can't count. Oh boy. This spot looks okay. First little finger, second finger. I decided I was just going to come all the way down here and work my way back, and then in the later part of the day I'll fish the that pump thingy again. Hoping for some smallies. Looks kind of shallow right here though. So far it looks really shallow. Put a new worm on. Little crappy worm just ain't gonna do it, I don't think. It's not very deep at all. Let's move. That's all it takes for me. Ain't deep enough to fish right on the bank. This looks a little bit more promising. Looks deeper. Yeah, it's deeper. The bite. Another bite. Must be small. It's tiny. Just picked my worm apart. See if I can catch him anyway. It's a lot deeper though. That's good. Got him. Oh boy, would you look at that. Looky there. Baby flathead. Cool. That's really neat. Pretty fish. Boy, he's dark too. Boy, I love these guys. It's too hot to be out of the water for very long there, feller. It is scorching hot today. Let's reworm up and see if we can do that again. Let's go for another one. I'm looking for smallmouth though, but I'll take whatever. It's species number 3. Oh, something had it. Something got it again. Ooh, what's this? Another carp? Drum guy. Cool. Well, he's dark too. Didn't mess up my worm too bad. Looks pretty good. All this on my clothes. There's all kinds of fish right here, but it's easy to find the fish when the water's this low. There's no doubt about it. I'm half tempted just to go back to where I was, but I think there's a lot of fish to be caught between here and there. Well, I made my way back over here. Having some luck over there, but I think the fish are congregated over here. And whatever this stuff is on top of the water, maybe they can't see me as well, and it's shade. Fish like shade. I know it's deep and straight down from past experiences. What the heck? Oh, looks like bait. That's cool. I'm gonna try him for bait real quick. The thing I have, bass hook. Let's throw him in there anyway, see what happens. See if he can't get slammed. I think I'm just going to leave him right there. Somebody already made a pole holder and put a weight on him. See what happens. Another drum. A drum guy. Wasn't even past a barb. Huh. I know there's a lot of fish right here. I'm just having a hard time catching anything. I think I got another carp. Fighting like a carp. I don't know, I feel his tail whipping on the line though, like a channel cat. Probably a carp though. Probably the same type of stuff that caught earlier. It is another carp. There's a lot of carp in here. How did he get over on the other side? I've never seen anybody over there before. Man, come on. I don't know how I'm going to land this guy. Bring him over here. Almost need a net. It's just another common carp, I think. Skinny. Skinny feller. Sweet. Long and skinny. Inhaled that sucker. Inhaled that sucker. Get out my trusty old pliers. Looks like my worm's salvageable. Kind of. Long and skinny guys, pretty hungry today. Huh. All right, let's get him back. Man, why do they bleed so easily? Wow, got me wet. So I'll wipe the blood on my pants. That was fun. On an ultralight pole. This one's fighting different. All right, that's the species we're after. Little guy. Sure is pretty though. Sweet. Didn't drop him on the rocks, that's a plus. He hit like one too. Cool. Take those all day long. Let's get another worm. I googled if I can use mussels for bait and it said I could. So I found a couple. So I put one out there. I don't know if I'll catch anything on it. When we were kids, we used to use them down at Red Rock Dam, and we used to catch all kinds of fish on them, even walleye. Remember one day, me and my brothers were down there, caught a ton of walleye at Ivan's campground below the dam at Red Rock. We ran out of all kinds of bait, lost a bunch of my dad's tackle. I'll never forget that. They were biting so good that day. It was during the day too, it was crazy. Let's see if we can catch another one of those smallies. Oh, there's something. Dang it. Got most of my worm. I hate that. The worm's all ugly now. Well, I'm going back to the night crawler. See if I can catch me another smallmouth. That's kind of what I'm here for, so Let's see what happens. Biggest drum of the day. I thought it was something else at first. Just right up on the bank. Every time my GoPro dies, catch a fish and I don't get it on camera. But he's got some cool colors, pretty healthy looking fish. Well, he's got a few scars on him now. Let's get him back in the water. Try one more thing before I go home. I have my doubts, but attacking it. Well, it's time to go home. Wasn't that productive. I did catch a few species of fish, which was nice, but that's not too bad for after work fishing. Only had a few hours, about 2.5 hours, so it wasn't too bad. I don't know if I'll come back here again, but I thought I'd try it. I haven't been here for probably since January, maybe, I don't know, somewhere in there, and I didn't have any luck then. I caught one small walleye off a giant chub. I was like, what the heck is going on there? But I'm going home, and Oliver and Levi, I love you guys very much, and thanks for watching Tally Go.